How to change payment method on App Store, iPhone or iPad. So if you want to change your payment method on your App Store on your iPhone or iPad, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your App Store. After opening your App Store, you need to go with profile, which is on the top right. From the profile, you need to tap on your name or your ID, and it may ask you for your face ID, so just go with your face ID. Once you've done with your face ID, you need to tap on country or region, or in order to change your payment method, you can also go with manage payments. So you need to tap on manage payments. Once you tap on manage payments, in my case I've not added a payment method, but if you've added a payment method, it will just show you your payment method, and after that you will also have an option to add another payment method. So what you need to do is just simply go with add payment method and then go and add your payment method, the second payment method. Once you've added your second payment method, you can go back to the payment section and you need to select the payment method that you've previously added and delete that payment method. But before that, make sure that you've added another payment method and you'll be able to delete your first method. That's how you can change your payment method on your App Store, on your iPhone or iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.